Hello friends, today's video topic is for the beginners in Excel where I'll show you how to solve the problem of number auto change to decimal. As you can see in the screen, when I put here a number, for example 12, it automatically changed to 0.12. If I put here 234, it changed to 2.34. So this type of problem you may face when working in Excel. To solve this problem, click on the File tab, click on Options, click on Advanced, and here you can see this automatically insert a decimal point option is selected. That's why you are getting this problem. So deselect this option, then click on OK. Now the problem is solved. If you put here the number, then it doesn't change to decimal format. If you want to learn more in Microsoft Excel, you can visit my channel's video page and explore the topic of your interest. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next tutorial.